Sorry if this video quality is terrible, but I am recording on my phone, and my phone is probably about to explode from memory.
Thousands of dog pictures.
Thousands of dog and cat pictures and such, crochet pictures. That's correct. But today is a very special day because we are cooking a delicious meal for my mom's birthday. So what are we, hold on, let me turn the camera around. I'm coming in. I did my job. I destemmed the kale.
I almost screwed it up.
No.
You almost dropped it.
No. I didn't drop the kale. I just dropped some of the dirty water. I squeezed some of the water out of the kale because it was very wet. So I just didn't want like too much moisture in there, but it's looking good. Wait. Okay, never mind. I thought that was a stem, but it was just remnants. So we got the pasta in here because I think we're going to be using some of the pasta water.
Yeah, so the recipe that the guy posted, he doesn't put in his instructions to use pasta water, but in the video he does recommend adding it to make the cream or the sauce a little bit creamier.
Because of the starch from the pasta?
Yeah, I think also just because there's a lot of like solids in the ingredients you use to make the sauce, so just adding a little bit of that water will thin it out a little bit.
Okay.
So
yeah,
that's what I did when I made it the first
other time.
And it worked pretty well.
It was delicious. Yeah. So we're using, did you already throw out the package?
Yeah.
Okay. We're using one of the Italian pastas. I'm sorry, I have to keep flipping this around, but I can't flip it mid-video, whatever, it's on the phone. So we're using one of the Italian pastas because we want to make sure my mom can eat it. That'd be a bummer if she couldn't.
A real bummer.
Yeah, but honestly, I've been really enjoying the Italian flour and Italian pastas too because I feel like when
I doubt it's gonna taste that different.
No, I just mean like comfort wise. I don't have a gluten intolerance, but I get very bloated when I eat like gluten products, so I feel better about eating the Italian one. I don't know if that's TMI, but welcome. Also, look who's watching over our cooking. These are for a custom order. Actually for my sister-in-law, so that's fun. But anyway, still cutting up that garlic.
Yeah,
looking good.
Wow.
Yeah, you make those slices thin, boy.
Yeah, last time I went that thin, and that definitely was a problem.
Yeah. So I forgot to mention too, we are doubling this recipe. So I think we're gonna be blending our sauce in 2 batches because we're working with the Ninja, and it's not huge, so it's fine. We're just gonna do it in 2 batches.
Yeah, even one batch makes quite a lot.
Yeah.
Like I think I used this one last time when I was just doing it like the regular amount,
and it was tight.
And it was still like
yeah, because I mean you're putting all that kale in there.
Kale, tofu.
Oh yeah,
walnuts,
we're gonna be using silken tofu. So
I mean kale, tofu, walnuts, and then also adding in the pasta water.
Yeah.
And a few other like olive oil and stuff. It just starts adding up after.
It's gonna be a squeeze. So.
Yeah.
Okay. As you were. It's a lot of stuff in this
Disgusting.
tiny little blender.
It's absolutely awful.
It looks like a what's it called? What's that like southern dish where it's like in the glass and they have like the layers.
Oh, the 7-layer dip.
Like the not trifle, but like you know what I'm talking about?
7-layer dip.
Okay. No, but it's like a sweet dish. I don't know.
Yeah, it's all sorts of stuff.
Yeah. Well, that's what it reminds me of. But this is gonna be delicious.
Yeah, wait for the water. Someone's taking a long time.
Well, tell us what's all in here.
So we got the...
We can clearly see layers.
The kale, silken tofu, the cooked walnuts, and then the recipe calls for parsley, but we're using pesto or basil paste. And then you put in just half a cup of olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then, like I said, the recipe itself doesn't call for it, but the guy who was making it said then at the end pour some pasta water in to like make it a little creamier.
Thicken it up.
The last time I made this, it starts off and it looks really brown, and I was like, oh no, I did something wrong. But it just takes a while for like the green to like take over from the walnuts get an early lead when you're mixing it all together, and then the kale and the basil
They do their thing.
So.
And we're using this beautiful olive oil from California.
Tragically, we're almost out.
Yeah, and Sam's Club hasn't been carrying it lately, so I'm very upset about that. But we got massive quantity of the pasta over here. I gotta try this because we went past our time on this, but it was not ready. It's just because it's such a huge amount in like not that big of a pot, pan, whatever. Yeah, you sure? All right, let's take our little tester over. Don't want to burn that delicate mouth.
Why not?
Because that hurts me. Literally like 1 more minute.
I think you're just trying to get free pasta. I knew it.
I'm so awkward.
You just keep doing it again and again until there's nothing left.
Oh, I think we're ready. How'd you find out? All right, we're almost ready here.
Mm-hmm.
Looking good. Ooh. All right, you can cut. All right, J-Lo, let's get loud.
All right, our protein drink for...
Ew! Actually, it would be delicious, but I wouldn't want to drink that.
I don't know what to put this in.
Just put it in a bowl.
I know, but it's like, there's a lot.
That's not gonna work. You just put it in this, just rinse this kale one out. That works. All right, we're making it work. That's what we do in this kitchen. We make it work Tim Gunn style. All right, what are our next steps?
I gotta do that again.
Oh, right, because that's only half.
We gotta hold off on this because then I have to, in a pan, put olive oil, the chopped up garlic and walnuts, let that cook for a little bit, 1 or 2 minutes.
That's gonna smell so good.
Then put in a little bit of the leftover kale.
Ooh.
To then add in
little saute
and cook
action.
that a little bit, yeah.
Okay.
That's why this gets a little complicated.
So we had to switch phones. I don't know if that got cut off, but you were talking about our kitchen and how
we don't have enough
we make it work
to work with.
Yeah. It's better than our old apartment.
I think good enough for,
yeah.
It's definitely better than the old apartment, but like,
yeah,
some of this stuff we really need to, we need more bowls. We need more than one working stove top to cook things on.
One of them doesn't work. The other burners, I think, for the most part, work, but this is our favorite burner.
Yeah.
You're our fave. Don't tell anybody else. You're okay. You're amazing.
Just making those New Girl jokes, huh?
That's right. We've been rewatching New Girl, and we're on the last season. It's just such a good show. I've probably watched it through at least 3 times, maybe.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, but I watched it live when it was airing for the first time. You started during COVID, I think, and very quickly watched multiple times. But it's just a really good show.
It is.
Anyway, yes, we did switch phones because mine ran out of space. And I know I told you guys this weekend, since I had the camera, I was going to show you my yarn situation. But that will have to wait for another day. We will do that another time. Ooh. I think that's got a beautiful green color to it.
Yeah.
The basil really did its thing. Mm-hmm. Did its thing. Yum, yum, yum. All right, round 2. Second verse, same as the first. We say that in D&D all the time.
Do we?
We do. When somebody does the same attack that they did the turn before, mm-hmm. You're getting all sorts of info today in this video. All right, I'll let you make your... Ooh, girl. It's looking really good. You did a good job, chef.
Thanks.
We're gonna...
The birthday girl likes it.
I think the birthday girl is gonna love it. We're gonna have her try it when we get over there. We're gonna try and do a quick cleanup before we go, because it's messy. But yeah, whenever we have a cooking situation like this where we're going to like a party or a holiday or whatever, we really try to clean before we leave because it's just so nice to come home to like clean kitchen. So like Thanksgiving and all that. Oh, love it.
I'm home at like 9 o'clock at night after Thanksgiving, and like we don't have anything we need to.
It's so nice.
Up.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and take care of that real quick before we go. I got to do all this. All right. We'll be back for the taste test. Hello, birthday girl. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. I have to do a taste test here.
Yes. You gotta taste the pasta.
So let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna grab some with a lot of
Garlic, walnut,
garlic. Yeah.
kale.
All right. Guess I'm doing like that.
Okay. Do what you want.
Bobby
Bubby.
said, "I want some."
Oh, it's time for your treat. You're gonna get your treat in a minute.
Oh,
good boy.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. Here we go. Oh, that's too much. I don't want to look like a pig.
Oh my God, Mom. What do you think?
Very creamy.
Yeah. That's the silken tofu.
Delicious.
Oh, she said delicious.
The perfect amount of garlic.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. You guys did a great job.
Thanks.
Did you do it or did your husband?
It was
do
mostly Shanji. I helped
Okay.
a little bit.
It's nice to see you do it together.
Yeah, it was fun. Bowie,
Bowie.
you're gonna have your treat. Relax.
All right. Let me give him his treat. Did you say
All
where
right.
the recipe was from?
I did, yes. So we will link that below again. If you guys want to try it out, give it a go. It's really easy and it's really delicious. So thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for filling in.
Yes. We hope you enjoy, and until next time.
Much love.